Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 16th, 2022. Going to give you all the quick video about Bitcoin and try to figure out where will the price go so that we can be in position and already win in the market. Now, this is the reason why Bitcoin went down. I don't care what anyone says. There's only two causes as to why price move, and one of them is because people are buying, and the other one is simply because people are selling. And you guys can see right here on this particular trading day that this is where the market began to sell off, right here at this restriction area of $18,300, give or take. That is the reason why Bitcoin fell. That is why the gains that Bitcoin made ever since we did this price prediction on December the 2nd has given those gains back. That is why it's so important that you make sure that you know when you're going to get into play and when you're going to get out, because I told you that that would be around the location that we would top out our price target. You guys can see it right here around $18,000 is where we had our initial max profit right there. That's 6%. And if we were to keep on holding onto the play because we were greedy or because we expect to get more gains, just a little bit more gains out of the market, we will be literally almost break even from when we did our price prediction. That is why I come through and tell you, like, this is how you're supposed to act when you come into the cryptocurrency space. Is you get to have a plan. You have to know when you're going to enter and exit. Not just enter, you have to know when you're going to leave as well, because that's pretty good timing though. We were pretty much at the top to where Bitcoin reached, and then price came back down. And people tell you that you cannot time the market. Well, we did on that particular situation. So pretty good call to those who also saw the same thing. Now let's get to this price prediction. Let's see what's going on in Bitcoin. Real quick video. You guys can see here that the trend line in the market in Bitcoin is now being broken. Now we still have 12 hours left. So I'm gonna give the market some leeway in terms of what we can possibly see at the end of the day. So if the market in Bitcoin closes down here on this daily price bar, then yes, the trend is broken. We're going to maintain a trading channel range for Bitcoin, and the upward move in Bitcoin, we should not be thinking about it. We should not even be contemplating that Bitcoin is going to go up right now. That is how the market looks right now. But let's give it 12 more hours to see how this daily price bar ends, because if it ends up here, then the market in Bitcoin is telling us that buyers are still present and that they're still trying to push the price back up to around 18,500 or so. But now looking at this though, I don't like it. I need to begin to switch over my mentality and saying that, yeah, the price of Bitcoin does look weak. I might need to consider price continuing to go down. Now, with that being stated, if we're going to look for price in Bitcoin to go down, this is one area that we can see buyers appear in the market in Bitcoin. So this will be a price target. This second area will be a price target. Okay, and then ultimately this would be the third price target right around here. So these are where I suspect buyers will appear in the market, try to keep price propped up. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Okay, because we're going to look for the price in Bitcoin to go down, all because we did see rejection at 18,400. That's one reason why we're looking for price to go down. And then two, the trend line is being broken as of right now. But like I said, I'm giving it 12 hours to follow through with that. So our first price target is going to be here around 16,800. That gives us 1.25%. Second price target for Bitcoin is going to be here around 16,400. That's 3.5. And then my third price target is going to be around 16,100, which is 5%. Okay. So let me get rid of these lines. And let me see something else. Let me go to like a 2-day time frame. So even here on the 2-day time frame, we need to consider that we may actually see the market in Bitcoin completely take out our price targets. Looking at this on the 2-day time frame, but we got 12 hours. Here it is on the 3-day chart as well. I don't like what's been going on the last 6 days into the market, or the last 5 days into the market in Bitcoin. We're definitely seeing some weakness here, and this high volume that came in on the prior 3-day price bar definitely tells me that sellers came into the market there too. So I am pretty much done. I'm definitely going to look for the price in Bitcoin to go lower. Those 3 price targets I have already mentioned. Like I said, this is the 5-day chart, and this even looks worse for a 5-day time frame. That price in Bitcoin can definitely go lower in price, especially past my price targets. But let's give it 12 hours. I'm done. That's it. Simple, easy. You guys can tell how the market has been trending as to where it's trying to go. And we're not going to be one of the ones that tries to get in the way. We're going to follow the flow. And currently the flow looks like the market in Bitcoin wants to go lower. So that's where I'm at. Give me your thoughts, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more of the simplistic content as to how prices move in the cryptocurrency space without all the confusion. Like everyone else tries to mix in technicals and fractals and articles and try to get you some fundamentals about Bitcoin, and no, just focus on money, focus on the price. That's the only thing that matters. So tell me your price prediction.